I welcome you all for class 7 subject science. So today we are going to continue with our topic, that is transportation in animals and plants. As I said you, the blood will flow into the heart. Now how the heart is located? You can see in the picture how the vein, that is arteries, veins and capillaries are attached to the heart. The heart is an organ which beats continuously to act as a pump for the transport of blood, which carries other substance with it. Means heart is the one thing which is pumping and cleaning the blood. Imagine now, you can think when just keep your hand on your chest and listen your heartbeat. Okay, just keep your right hand on your left side of the chest and listen to the heartbeat. You can hear. Can you hear? Yes, we can hear. That is the pumping of the heart. If the pumping is stopped, what do you think? The person is alive or dead? If the heart stops pumping, then we say the person is died. Okay. If it should not stop. Okay. Imagine how a heart works. If it is stopping, then the person is dead. The heart is located, where can you see? It is located in the chest cavity with its lower tip slightly tilted towards the left. Hold your fingers inwards on your palm. That makes your fist. Your heart is roughly the size of your fist. How much it will be? The size of your fist. You can see the picture how it is located here. These are the ribs. These are the lungs. That is lungs. Ribs are there, then inside lungs are there. Now this part which you can see is the heart. Okay, in here this one is the heart. Here you can see little bit arteries, right? This is the part of the heart. This is the outer look of the heart. Once you see from upper side, this you can be seen. This is the structure of heart. Now this will be the size of how much? Of your fist. Okay. What will happen if the blood reaches in oxygen and the blood reach in carbon dioxide mixes with each other? What happens? It can not be clean, yes or no? To avoid this from happening, the heart has 4 chambers. How many? You know, the clean blood is also flowing and the dirty blood is also coming out. Now how is it possible? Means the heart has 4 chambers in it. You can see in the picture, there are 4 chambers. Which are those now? The 2 upper chambers are called atria. What it is known as? Atria. That is left atrium and right atrium. Okay. And the 2 lower chambers are called ventricles. The partition between the chambers help to avoid mixing of blood rich in oxygen with the blood rich in carbon dioxide. You can see one side it is fully red. Red indicates that is it is clean. That is it contains oxygen in it. Okay. And this blue contains carbon dioxide in it. Okay. And this part divides from clean to dirty blood. To understand the functioning of the circulatory system, start from the right side of the heart and flow the arrows. You can see here, it can start from the right hand side and it flows. That is from here it starts. Okay, it starts coming here and then these arrows shows the direction of the blood flow from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart, from where it is pumped to the rest of the body. The walls of the chambers of the heart are made up of muscles. These muscles contract and relax rhythmically. This rhythmic contraction followed by its relaxation constitute a heartbeat. Means how the heartbeat is taking place? It vibrates. Okay, rhythmic contraction. Just pushing front and back. It is nothing but the contraction. Rhythmic contraction. If you place your hand on the left side of your chest, you can feel your heartbeat. The doctor feels your heartbeat with the help of an instrument called a stethoscope. You can see the picture of the stethoscope. Really you have seen, right? Again you can see this part will be kept on the chest, right? Chest piece, and this will be kept in the doctor's ear, right? Earpiece. A doctor uses stethoscope as a device to amplify the sound of the heartbeat. What it is doing is it amplifies the sound, means it increases the sound. This stethoscope will increase the sound. It consists of a chest piece that carries a sensitive diaphragm, two ear pieces and a tube joining the parts. Doctor can get clues about the condition of your heart by listening through a stethoscope. Means a doctor can identify how a person is feeling good or bad. He is healthy or no, just by listening the heartbeat. As I said you, they will count the heartbeats and they will come to know a person is how much healthy he is or how much weak he is been. So these stethoscopes help the doctor to identify, that is to hear the sound of your heartbeat. Now we can do a small activity. Take a small funnel of 6 to 7 centimeter in diameter. Fix a rubber tube, okay, 50 centimeter long, tightly on the stem of a funnel. Stretch a rubber sheet or a balloon on the mouth of the funnel and fix it tightly with the rubber band. Put the open end of the tube on your ears. Place the mouth of the funnel on your chest near the heart. Now try to listen carefully. Do you hear a regular thumping sound? The sound is that of heartbeats. How many times did your heart beat in a minute? Count again after running for 4 to 5 minutes. Compare your observation. It will be the same. No, it will be different. When you are at rest, your heart will work slowly. When you are running, your heart works fast. Record your own pulse rates and heartbeats and that of your friends while resting and after running. And you can record and write it in the table 11.2. Do you find any relationship between your heartbeat and the pulse rate? Each heartbeat generates one pulse in the arteries and the pulse rate per minute indicates the rate of heartbeat. You can understand now the pulse and the heartbeat. It is similar, okay? The rhythmic beating of the various chambers of the heart maintain circulation of blood and transport of substance to different parts of the body. You can see the picture, that is, this is the outer covering, okay? One rhythmic relaxation and contraction of the heart is known as heartbeat, okay? How much it will take the time to just do one rhythmic is known as heartbeat. The number of heartbeat per minute is known as the heart rate. Okay, 1 minute how many times it vibrates, one rhythmic contraction or relaxation takes place is known as heart rate. The human heart beat about 70 to 80 times per minute in a healthy adult. Okay, how many times it will beat? 70 to 80 times in a minute. The English physician William Harvey in the year 1578 to 1657 discovered the circulation of blood. The correct opinion in those days was the blood oscillates in the vessel of the body. For his view, Harvey was ridiculed and was called circulator. He lost most of his patients. However, before he died, Harvey's idea about circulation was generally accepted as a biological fact. The water in which they live bring up food and oxygen and is enter their body. You know, in animals such as sponges and hydra do not possess any circulatory system. The water in which they live brings food and oxygen as it enters their body. The water carries away waste materials and carbon dioxide as it moves out. Thus, these animals do not need a circulatory fluid like blood. Now, let us learn about the removal of waste other than carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide you understood. After breathing, it will goes out. Excretion takes place through the lungs, skin, liver and kidney. What is the meaning of excretion? Excretion is the removal of waste from the body. Carbon dioxide is removed as waste from the body through the lungs during exhalation. While we give out the when after breathing, when we remove the gas, that is nothing but the carbon dioxide which is coming out. Also recall that the undigested food is removed during egestion. Means the food which is not absorbed will remove from egestion. Now let us now find out how the other waste materials are removed from the body. You may wonder where these unwanted materials come from. When our cells perform their functions, certain waste products are released. They are toxic and hence need to be removed from the body. So you can see in the blood the unwanted things, it contains the carbon dioxide and unwanted waste. So it will throw, these are toxic and hence need to be removed from the body. The process of removal of waste produced in the cells of the living organism is called excretion. The parts involved in excretion form the excretory system. Now